in history, but the lowest point as well. There are many reasons which I will cite for censuring Zainuddin Maidin as Information Minister. But I will mention two at this press conference. One, and these are regard to the two latest incidents, the removal of radio DJs for their involvement in the Hindra demonstration. The state-owned Tamil radio station Minal FM sacked several presenters, including some popular ones for supporting Hindra. And the 7 presenters were affected in the exercise, including 2 presenters booking on contract. And among those sacked or suspended, this is all in the Malaysia Kini, Nina Kumari, Silali, Jamuna. I think this is atrocious and shows that Zainuddin Maidin is not fit to be Information Minister. Second illustration, the removal of the Bersih song from RTM, because the Bersih song has so many references to the Bersih as identified with the basic Bersih campaign, which this is also in the Chinese Malaysia Kini, and I think it's so ridiculous. So are they going to remove every textbook where there's a mention of the word Bersih? I mean, this is very childish, very immature. And the song of Bersih is kulitnya bersih, hati pun bersih. Okay lah, now it is cannot be bersih lah. Budi yang baik, hatinya pengasih. Kulitnya bersih, hati pun bersih. Memikul belati tiada yang memilih. Jadikan bersih, hati pun putih. Berkata benar, bermulut terpasih. Jadikan bersih, hati pun putih. Biarlah khazanah pintu terpilih. I think this is utterly outrageous behavior for Minister for Information. And I think he must bear full responsibility for the downward plunge of press freedom index and for the deplorable state of press freedom in the country. As a former journalist, as a former top journalist, one would have expected him to be the forefront, to stretch the frontiers of freedom for the press. Instead, he has done the reverse. He has become the chief mugger of the press, closing down channels of space for the press. And I think a censure motion in Parliament, when this ministry comes up for debate tomorrow, will be most appropriate. Okay, kan? I have a